Hello, welcome to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn English step by step. This is real-life English you can use right away.
Yes, welcome back for another ESL lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally.
In this lesson, you will learn how to use the word please. We use please to be polite when we ask for something.
You'll learn to use please in a casual, polite, and formal way. Let's begin.
The word please is a polite word. It's used when you ask for help, food, information, or things.
Here are two examples. Open the door. Now listen again. Open the door, please.
The second example sounds kinder and more polite. When you say please, your voice is important. A calm, friendly voice sounds polite.
The class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking.
The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, the black box signals it's time for you to practice speaking.
Don't worry if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
Casual please. Let's first learn how to use a casual please. The casual please is used with friends, family, or people you know well. These are examples of using a casual please.
Mark, can you pass my cell phone, please?
Sure, here you go. Paris, could you help me with this email, please?
Of course, no problem. Wait a minute, for me, please.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready. It's now time for you to practice speaking.
Mark, can you pass my cell phone, please?
Paris, could you help me with this email, please?
Wait a minute, for me, please.
A casual please can be used at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Listen to these two examples.
Could I have a coffee, please? Please. Could I have a coffee?
Now, you practice saying please at the end and beginning.
Could I have a coffee, please? Please, could I have a coffee?
This is casual English. Pass my cell phone, please, and help me with this, please.
Polite please. Now let's learn to use a polite please. Use this please with teachers, coworkers, or strangers. With the polite please, we often say, can you or could you? These are examples of using a polite please. Can you tell me when is the next bus, please?
Next bus is in about 10 minutes.
Could I access the Wi-Fi, please?
Sure, the Wi-Fi has no password.
Could I have a copy of that report, please?
I just put a copy on your desk. Now it's your turn to practice polite please.
Can you tell me when is the next bus, please? Could I access the Wi-Fi, please? Could I have a copy of that report, please?
Using could you is more polite than can you. Listen to these two examples. Can you help me please? Could you help me please? Now, practice saying can you and could you. Can you help me with this, please? Could you help me with this, please? This is polite English. Could I access the Wi-Fi, please? And, please, may I have the password?
Formal please. Now let's learn to use a formal please. Use a formal please at work, in emails, or with officials. Formal sentences are often longer and polite. Remember, a polite please uses a calm and friendly voice. These are examples of using a formal please. Please let me know when the meeting starts.
It's starting in 10 minutes.
Could you please send me an email?
Sure, I'll send it right away.
Would you please explain this again?
Yes, I'd be happy to do that. Now it's your turn to practice formal please.
Please let me know when the meeting starts. Would you please explain this again? Could you please send me an email?
A formal please often comes in the middle of a sentence. This is an example. Could you please sign this paper? Now practice please in the middle of a sentence. Could you please sign this paper too? May I please call you later? This is formal English. Could you please send me a report? And, may I please speak with you later?
Okay, in today's lesson, you learned 3 different ways of saying please. And the word please makes a request sound more polite. A casual please is for friends and family. Example, could you pass me the salad, please?
Could you pass me the salad, please?
A polite please is for teachers and strangers. Example, could you tell me which bus this is, please?
Could you tell me which bus this is, please?
And a formal please is for work and emails. Example, could you please send me the report?
Could you please send me the report?
That's all for this class. Remember, practice this lesson often. Please give a like and subscribe for more upcoming lessons. See you next class. Bye for now.